Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a super quick video in what the crafting world might call a project share. So I had a lot of you say that you were kind of wondering how you would store your tea items. And I kind of took that and I paired it with the love of the binder kits that I've been making. So I went ahead and made an April binder kit and I paired it with my tea game. So I figured I would show you guys how you might set up your tea binder. You obviously can make your own images, you don't have to use mine, but this is available for Ko-fi members and on Etsy if you would like to do that. Okay, so I'm using an A5 binder. Everything that I do also does come with an A6 dashboard, but I prefer A5 because you can hold more. But let me go ahead and show you all the goodies here. Okay, so over here I have my minis from the binder kit. So I have a little savings challenge, a monthly calendar, and these are undated. You can use these as a no spend tracker or a habit tracker or just whatever you would like, but I thought that that was a cool addition. Then I have a small little roll and save game, my dreaming about tea parties little insert. Okay, so that is the side there. And then tucked in here, I have my tip jar, my Cuppa Sunshine mini Easter farm that members are getting this month, and then my dashboard. Again, this is actually the A6 dashboard for Little Cuppa Savings, but I like to put my money on top of it when I'm playing. So I thought that that was a pretty cool thing to do. All right, then we're moving on here. Here is the clip that I made. And if you need a full tutorial on this, I have done a full tutorial on how to laminate and create all of this. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below for you. Then in the Tiny Things envelope, I have put all of my upside down secret recipes. So I thought that that was a cool place to put everything. And I like using the clip on there so nothing falls out. Then I have my A5 dashboard. Next is my A5 dashboard from the game, so you could keep your money in here. And then I put my trackers. I use my A6 and A5 trackers for this. Then I put my cards in this. I'm not super happy with this. I did mention that I was going to do a tutorial on how to make a little deck holder for you guys, and that is something in the works. It will be a little bit before I get to it, but for now this should work to keep everything together. And then in the back I have all of my tab cards just tucked away for right now as something cute. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that you can create your own little tea binder to hold everything, and it will be super cute. And you can also have plenty of room for your extra savings challenge tinies and whatever else you like to play. But that is all I have for you today. Everything here is linked below for you. I will see you very soon, guys. Bye.